Hello guys, welcome once again to where I share with you information regarding the financial markets and make sure that your trading journey is a success and you realize profitability in the shortest amount of time ever. So in this particular video I wanted to talk about something that is very this is just a trade that obviously we took this trade just this morning. I actually have the before and the after in my Telegram group. You can check in the description below. I have the before and after and everything. But I just wanted to share with you something that is so crucial. It's about the new age of traders and the trading, new age trading level that we are at. We are currently in the new age of traders or new age trading. We're in the new age of trade. We are the new age of traders, and we're also in the new age of trading. Okay, so what do I mean by this? We are currently in an age whereby, remember, one thing that you need to know is when it comes to life, whoever starts something might not always be the best, are not always the best. Remember, the first person to invent the first car, Henry Ford, that was the first car that was made. It wasn't even perfect. If we compare it to the cars that have been made now, the ones that are here now, if ever Henry Ford was alive, he would be shocked himself to see them. Why? Because the information that he managed to capture, that he managed to reveal to the public at that time, right? That was all that he could reveal according to how far his imagination could go and also according to how far his discovering abilities could go, right? The same thing applies here in trading, ladies and gentlemen. Never listen to the old dogs telling you that there are no new tricks to this game. Don't listen to that. Don't even be deceived. Because it's so hard to teach an old dog new tricks. There are people who have been in the game for more than 10 years, 20 years, others 30. I met this other gentleman one of the days. He has been in the game for more than 30 years now. Him is close to 40, around 50 years of age. He was trying to show me what he knows and everything. But at the end of the day, when he was busy trying to show me what he knows, I was actually deep down. I was actually laughing because it's information to me that is on the surface. It's shallow information. It's shallow trading knowledge. It's shallow trading information that he was simply sharing with me. So what am I saying? There's a new age of traders that is rising up. Personally, as a visionary leader in my company, I've actually started to raise this new age of traders. Most of the people that are going to realize about what I'm talking about now, they're going to realize that 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, that's when they are going to start adopting the culture of the new age of traders. So the new age of traders is a community that is so serious. Personally, as a visionary leader of my company, Smart Traders International and MC Global Trading Academy, I've already started to raise new age traders. New age traders, these are traders that are going to be so sharp when it comes to analyzing the market. They're going to be so sharp when it comes to entries, when it comes to exits, how much the level of clarity that they have on the market is way much deep compared to what any other old guru in the game might say. So I'm actually raising this new age of traders using the information that I've discovered for quite a long time now. It took quite a long time to discover the information, but it's not going to take much time for me to share that information with my students and my team as a whole, because I'm trying to raise a new age of traders. So this new age of traders, take note of this new age of traders. These are traders that are going to be so sharp in their analysis, so sharp when it comes to the strategies, so sharp when it comes to entries and exits, so sharp when it comes to identifying manipulation on the market, identifying retail traders manipulation, identifying fluctuations, where the market is fluctuating, where to enter, where not to enter, identifying trading and non-trading zones. So this new age of traders, personally as a visionary leader in my company, I've already started to raise the new age of traders already. These are traders that are going to achieve in 1 year, in few months, things that took your old gurus years, decades to achieve. They are gurus right now. People call themselves gurus. Yes, we can see them as gurus, but they are old gurus who are still using old strategies. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing with that wrong with that. But what I'm simply saying is the level of success that such an old guru using old tricks, right? The strategy that we are having for the new age of traders is way totally different, way totally different, way more advanced. The way they used to see the market and the way they are still seeing the market, you can't compare it with what we now know, what we now have. That's why I say and I know that the new age of traders I'm raising now, they are going to achieve in a year, in few months, things that took these old gurus years and years and years and years to achieve. This new age of traders that I'm actually starting now as a visionary leader, I know most of the companies, they are going to join in the movement later on, but most of the mentors, they are not even aware of this. It only takes a visionary leader like myself to show you that there is a new age of trading, new age of traders that is actually rising. It's a new wave that is rising, a new wave that is going to be so powerful, so aggressive in their approach. Even the aggression is too much, because when you have information, why can't you go aggressive? If you now have, if you now have the insider information, when you now have the insider information, when you now have a 360-degree perspective of looking at the market, why can't you go aggressive? So this is just an example. So just to show you real quick what is currently happening on US 30. This is just one of the approaches that as new age traders we use, right? So just looking to the left here, you can see that the market has been breaking the swing highs. Here it failed to break the swing high. Okay, so what I simply do, this is what I simply do, right? With this high that was broken, right? We broke this high, we broke this high. After breaking this high, we established a higher high here. This is the higher high, right? After establishing a higher high there, we never broke the low. The low was this one. This was the low that broke that high, right? So this was my swing low, my swing high, right? Then I realized here it also made another equal high. So here I have equal highs already. Once I have equal highs, I know that above those equal highs, there's a lot of money that is lying there. There's a lot of liquidity that is lying there that these market makers are going to come and take before the market begins to drop. So here on the other side, I can actually see that right now the market is trying to establish a higher low. Where is it going to establish a higher low? If ever we break internal structure here, if we break internal structure, once we manage to break internal structure, already we're in the trade already, and it's a risk-free trade now. We took this buy based on this level that we saw after a break of structure. Obviously, after every break of structure, expect the market to come into this discount level, discount zone. Then we buy from there all the way to take out the previous high. So right now we took the buys, already we're in the buy. So how is this level going to be confirmed as a higher low? Once we break that internal structure, this level would be my new swing higher low. Once I now have a higher low, so it's going to be something like this. So here, once I have something like this, once it breaks inside here, once it breaks inside, I expect a pullback either into a demand, order block, whatever, blah 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 blah. Then we go all the way up, right? First major target is this high, but I'm expecting it to be broken since there's equal highs. Equal highs, there's a lot of liquidity lying above. So this can be your target, but obviously expect it to go higher. So right now we're in the buy already. We took the buy already. So the next entry now, the next entry that I'm going to be looking at, I'm going to wait for the break. This break, once I get this break, I wait for the pullback, then we get our next buy entries and we hold all the way to the upside. So that is it for the buys. So far we're in the buys. It's a risk-free trade. So on the other side now, if ever we come and break this low, If ever we break this low, it means now order flow is shifted. We're shifted from bullish order flow to bearish order flow. Once we are now in bearish order flow, we're looking forward for selling opportunities. But so far, we're still in bullish order flow, meaning we're going to be looking for more buying opportunities. So our next entry, I'm going to get after the break. Once it breaks the general structure, retest, bam, I'm going to enter more buys around those levels. So guys, this is some of the ways in which we will now look at the market. We know all those trend lines, we know support, and we know all of that. We are tired of that. we, we are tired of hearing you talking about support and resistance, talking about trend line breakout, trend line retest. We know all of that. We know all of that. What we know cannot help us. What we know cannot harm us. We're actually harmed, we're actually at risk by what we don't know. What you know cannot harm you. You're actually at risk for something that you don't know. Something that you don't know is something that can harm you. I hope you get my point. So we know all of this. Don't think that maybe what I'm showing you, it means this guy doesn't know trend line. I know all of that. I know all about the Falcon strategy. I know all about your trend line breakout. We know all of that. Right now, what I'm showing you, these are secrets that we've discovered, information that we've discovered out of the flows that we're realizing in trend lines. Trend lines, I can show you the flows that they have. They do have their flows, but this strategy that I'm showing you now, there's no way, because it is actually the strategy that is used to manipulate retail traders. This is what they use to manipulate your trend lines. This is what they use to manipulate your support and the resistance. This is what they use. I'm showing you what they use. So this is the new age of traders. This is the mentality. This is the mindset. Right now, many people right now, they are selling retail traders. Retail traders without a brain. They are busy selling here, right? It's not a problem. There's nothing wrong with that. But me, I'm showing you that we're in a bullish order flow. When we're in a bullish order flow, we focus more on where the momentum is going. Momentum is going to the upside, meaning I'm going to focus more on buying opportunities. Meaning this sell here, to me, it's upside. It's useless. Because I'm in a buy already. I'm in a buy already. Yeah, what I'm simply waiting for is the break. Once it breaks to the upside, gives me a pullback. It's more entries, right? I might not take media core opportunities because of the understanding that I now have. I don't take media core opportunities. I'm in a bullish order flow. I make sure that I focus on the buying side of things, make sure that all the buying opportunities, I harness them. So guys, this is just some insider information that I'm not supposed to be sharing. Yes, I'm not supposed to be sharing this. It's actually by coincidence that you are watching this video. So guys, a new age of traders is actually risen, and it's starting. It has started already. The movement has begun. Watch and see the space. These are people that are going to be making money silently. They are not going to be public as the many people that you see public here. People who brag about, no, those people, they're not really making money. Once you really start to make money, you don't you don't need external validity to validate your money. Once you really start making money, you don't need public opinion to verify if ever you're really making money. You make your money and eat your money silently. So this is the new age of traders, a new age of traders that are going to be so intellectual, so sharp in their observation of the market, and also in the way of them taking trades. Watch out for the new age of traders. This is going to be a very interesting movement. It's already interesting already. We have been seeing testimonies after testimonies after testimonies, and we can't wait for you to join us. Feel free to join me in the Telegram link that is in the description. Contact me through Instagram DM. You can contact me there through WhatsApp. Any form of communication, you can contact me and be part of this great movement of new age of traders. The new age of traders, the traders that are undefeatable. These are traders that are consistently profitable. You make money today, you make money tomorrow, you make money the after tomorrow, you make money. So it's possible because it's all about observation. If ever you sharpen your observation skills to an extent that whenever you observe correctly, means whenever you take a trade, you have to win. So that's a new age of traders. Someone who is is still in the old age of trading might not understand my language right now. Someone who is still in the old system of trading might not understand my language right now. It is only the new age mentality that can understand me. So guys, see you in the next upcoming video. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be sharing too much information, too much insider information, to make sure that you are also profitable on your side wherever you are. So guys, thank you for watching.